Palm oil bleaching using heat in an open air. Unlike palm kernel oil, palm oil need to bleach to remove the red color. Initially, white piece of paper was dipped into the oil to check the color. The palm oil is heated in the cooking pot on a traditional tray support fireplace. To check for the suitable degree of bleaching, a white piece of paper is dipped into the hot oil and removed after 1 hour. So, after 2 hours, as the oil heats, you will notice it changes color. After 3 hours, the oil has gradually become lighter and less cloudy. After 4 hours, now the paper is carried, pastry. The bleaching process is complete. The objectives of the bleaching is to avoid discoloration of the final soap product. So, before you use palm oil for soap production, you need to bleach it to avoid discoloration.